How to sync Outlook calendar with Ganttic. In your Ganttic planner, you can sync Outlook events to Ganttic, Ganttic tasks to Outlook calendar, or get updates in both directions. Start by choosing the resource, whose task you want synced. In the Resource dialog, go to Calendar Synchronization. Choose Sync Direction and any optional details. Set up either one-way or two-way synchronization. Hit Save and Start Sync. You'll then be prompted to sign into Outlook. After logging in, select the calendar you want synced and click Start Synchronization. If a new event is created in Outlook, it will now automatically appear as a new task in Ganttic. Syncing your planner's tasks to Outlook Calendar is a simple way to keep your team connected with updates and new work. Discover more at Ganttic.com.